Today I'm going to change a broken CRT on a Macintosh Plus. Okay, we're gonna take it apart. And we're gonna change the CRT. Okay, we'll start. Okay, we remove the case. Well, there are two screws here on the side. I think to remove the logic board from the analog board. We need to remove the 4 screws of the CRT. Okay. There is one more screw down here on the side. 2 over here and 1 down here. Let me see if by removing this one, I can remove. There are 3 screws, okay. Let me see if this is a little bit loose. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, we remove this ground cable. And then there are 4 screws on each corner here. Okay, the CRT is out. And I want to show you where did it broke off. It's over here. As you can see by removing this, the tip of the tube is broken. See? What causes? Well, maybe chipping, or someone has bent it, or who knows. But this is what it broke. The tip of the CRT right there. So all the gas goes out and the tube is dead. Well, I got a replacement. Let me get it all together and we'll continue. Okay, here's the replacement tube. Okay, very careful. Don't work on CRTs if you don't know, if you don't have any experience with them, or because this could be very dangerous. There is a high voltage on CRTs that may kill you if you don't know what you're doing. So I don't suggest you working on CRTs unless you know about electronics and or you have read the precautions of doing on removing the CRT. One of the major precautions is this red lead that you have to discharge because there is very high voltage on the flyback. Okay, so you must be very careful with this. Okay, so I'll put this back here. I'm gonna slide in the breadboard over here. Okay, there must be some kind of, I need to push it down a little bit more. Why this is touching over here? Why is this touching over here? Okay, I don't have these. No, I think, no, I think it's in there. Let me check with this screw over here if this is aligned correctly. Yes, it is. So I'm putting back one screw here, another one over here, and there is one more over here. Okay. Now that is plugged in there. Well, I'm not gonna plug in the floppy drive, just the motherboard. And let me get a power cable. Let me get a power cable and see if, okay, we have a picture. Okay, great. As you can see, we have a nice picture. Now I need to adjust it and do some adjustments over here so I can get a center. Well, I think I'm happy with the result of the adjustments here. Well, depends how you look at it. If I'm center over here, yeah, it's all right. It all depends, but I'm happy with it like this.